Hello there, Mike is here from Mike's Online Business Insights. In this video, I will be showing you how to choose a niche for your business online. Since choosing niche is a very important thing, without having a specific niche, you basically cannot build any business. And for that purpose, we will be using artificial intelligence within the Wealthy Affiliate platform. And even as a starter member, you have a chance to find a niche that is very specific. So even if you are not sure about the specific path you want to take, this platform will help you to choose the right path. So let's start right away. Once you're inside of the Wealthy Affiliate dashboard, you have the first task that you're going to take, and that is choose a business idea. So let's click on it, and as the first step, we are going to start the earnings goal. Let's say I want to make 5,000 a month. Let's continue over here. In the second step, we have the option to create a new website or to use an existing. In a previous video, we have shown how to create a website, so let's use that existing one and continue here. It asks us to enter the domain name. So let's enter the domain we have created and let's continue. Let's choose our own niche, continue over here, and now let's build a business that we love, meaning let's choose a niche. What kind of niche would you like to have? It could be beauty and skincare, it could be fashion, food and cooking. These are very general niches. Let's type the coffee and let's find out what the suggestions will be within the platform. So based on the coffee, we can have a coffee sheep, coffee shop, coffee time, coffee clinic, coffee tree friends, coffee table. Coffee table is not a bad idea. Let's choose the coffee table. And within the coffee table, as a still general niche, we have these sub niches we can choose. Convertible coffee tables, designer custom made coffee tables. I like the idea of the convertible coffee tables. Let's choose this niche and continue over here. In the next step, we can choose the name of our business name or our brand. There are many suggestions over here we can choose from. It could be Flexi Coffee, not bad. Adaptable Brew, Morph Brew, Switch Table, Table Tweak. Let's choose the Table Tweak, that's gonna be our brand. So not even that in a very short period of time we have chosen our niche, we also have the name for our brand. Create a hub. And basically, this is it. This is how you can choose your niche. On top of it, you have the option to choose the affiliate program. There are few categories that are available for the starter membership, but even though as a starter, in order to join the affiliate program, you have to upgrade to be a premium member of the Wealthy Affiliate. Just let me show you that there are several affiliate programs within the space, saving furniture, and with the list of the affiliate programs, we also have the potential commissions we can earn. As I said, for the premium members, there are even more options in regards of the affiliate programs. Besides that, we even have some website content ideas, and that would be, for example, buying guides, top 10 convertible coffee tables for modern homes, budget-friendly convertible coffee tables that don't compromise on quality, the pros and cons of different convertible coffee table materials. So again, it's not just the system helped us to choose the specific niche, it also came up with the ideas for the articles. So without doing any brainstorming, within a couple of minutes, we can have 5 to 10 articles ready to go. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is to find a specific niche, and you can even find tons of ideas for the content that you will be creating on your website. And these ideas you can even leverage when you create, let's say, a YouTube content. These are also very handy when you decide to go with the specific social media. Regarding the coffee tables, you can go, for example, with Pinterest. Inside of the platform, there are many webinars talking about how leverage the Pinterest, and how to build your social presence using the Pinterest. That would be just one example. So it might be a good idea to upgrade, and it's up to you. As you see, if you decide to pay yearly, the price is about $42 per month, so it's not even $150 per day. It's less than one cup of coffee. For that price, you can have a onefree.com domain. You have a 10,000 credits that helps you with building your articles. And you have also unlimited support, JXC, that is a keyword research tool, and many other features within the premium membership. So hopefully you find this helpful. If you have questions regarding niches, let me know and I'll be happy to provide you feedback. See you in the next video.